In this video, we're going to show you how to install the engine splash shield on your Nissan Quest located inside the front wheel well. Using a 21mm socket, loosen and remove your lug nuts. Remove your wheel and set it aside. Now inside the wheel well here, we have two plastic retainers here and two attaching to the front liner. You're going to use your trim tool and pop these out. Release the center and then the button itself will pull out. And just repeat this process for the other three. Now that we popped out our last one, we can remove the shield. Good, line up the fender liner. I'm going to install the two uppers here to hold it in place. Go ahead and snap in your button. Take your wheel and install it. I want to go ahead and start these lug nuts by hand. Get them started a few threads. This will help prevent cross threading. Once we have them all started, we're going to go ahead and snug them down. When tightening down the lug nuts, you want to do it in a crisscross pattern. Go ahead and torque your wheels down to 80 foot-pounds. Do this in a crisscross pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.